Good morning, master traders. So we still got the S&Ps here moving back and forth near this resistance area here. They've held up extremely well in the face of that resistance. We call this absorbing supply. I'll show you a few things here. So at the move, he had the gap up, which hasn't been filled. Right? Good sign. Up against resistance. Can it go through it? That's the next question. As you see prices move up into here, we take note of how it moved up there as we look at the prices, how they formed, in this case on the daily chart. I see a wide range bar, call it a bullish wide range bar, up into a resistance area there. So at that point, typically you're going to get a narrow range day, and what happened is we had a narrow body day. Topping tail, which tells us sellers came in and took control. Supply overtook demand and pushed prices back down. However, the close and the open were in the upper part of the wide range bar, bullish. And then we get a green day pushing back up. It's like, okay, can we get through here? There's kind of a lot of uncertainty. It's not a clean pattern. Red bar forms, or maybe we're going down. Green bar forms, right? So green, red, green, maybe we're going up, inside bar, bottoming tail bar, good sign. And now yesterday, was actually today's futures 24-hour chart. We're trading inside of the range. So can we get through here? That's the question. And one of the things I said to subscribers last night in that video was this may be a point where the futures play catch up. And if they can get through here, well, then I'd be willing to trade these on the long side. What's going to push them? Well, we had some economic reports this morning, and that certainly didn't do it. So they're just, as you can see here, they're on 2 minute. I don't know when I was 2 minute there. Too small a time frame. So I can hold on. They're just backing off here after being higher. So, having some strength backing off. We'll have to see what happens there. So neutral, we just more wait and see as far as those go. The Nasdaq here was a bit lower, and it's just churning sideways, after the little selling in Facebook. So just a wait and see here. If it trades under this noise, guys, sorry for this noise here, but there's some construction going on. The Dow, looks like could possibly perk up. It gave it a shot here, but it's backed off here this morning. So it's a little bit of a selling back towards support. We'll see what happens there. The bonds is what we want to see. They break down here. That's going to be good for the markets. They break out to the upside, going to be bad. So we're waiting to see here. So this is giving some bullish bias to what the markets can do. And so the banks were able to show a little bit of shrink tomorrow, but they're not that clean. Look at XLF. Had a deep retracement into resistance, and a little lesson here. This type of thing, that's not what I wanted. Let's clean it up and start it over. This type of, that's meaningless. There's a test of support. This is what you want to look at as far as some deep retracement. That's the deep retracement. Your analysis is done horizontally, not diagonally. So now can this push up? It is up a little bit here, pre-market. So you want to keep an eye on the financials to see if they can continue to show some strength. And if they do, I'll go back to the spiders and see if they're perking up to go through here. So, all right, guys, I'm going to end this because the noise is really too crazy.